Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay your videos on top of your videos, I guess, in CapCut PC. It's super simple actually. So to do that, you're just going to select the video that you want. I'm just going to randomly select, let's say, let's do one from life here. And let's grab this video, and I want to overlay like a news video on the left, maybe about like travel, I don't know. I'm just going to pretty much just overlay it on top of the video like so. As you can see now, this video is on top, just place it on top. But if you want to like overlay something like a green screen or a black screen, you'll need like chroma key, like on this one for instance. Go to mask, go to cutout, select chroma key, and select the green area of the video and adjust the strength a little bit, and you'll be able to see that. And to overlay like black backgrounds, go to blend mode and select maybe like overlay or like multiply, and adjust the opacity to blend it in a little bit more. And that is pretty much. If you want to, I guess, like blend two videos, like two overlays at once, I'm just going to move it to the right, to the left a little bit, and I'm just going to place this one on top. Go to mask and select horizontal, and you can feather it out to blend the two videos together. And that's how you can overlay a video on top of a video. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.